Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique and I make videos on travel, fashion, shopping and everything in between. So if you like those kind of videos, don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it if you do. And yeah, let's go to our video today. Today it's very casual. I'm just very casual. I'm going out for a quick bite to eat, but before that I would like to do this video because I want to use these items that I've purchased a few months ago, but I haven't taken off the protective plastic yet. I'm that type of person. If I haven't worn the items yet, I will keep the plastic protective on forever. Actually, one of these items I have worn and I've worn it out with the plastic on and I am not ashamed about it. Let's move on. So the first item is this belt that I purchased in Paris from Hermes, as you can see. And if you haven't seen the haul for that video, don't forget to click on it. I will leave a link down below. So this is the belt. This is just a 24mm in a taupe and noir. Okay, so there's no protective plastic there, but it has some plastic on the buckle. So I haven't actually worn this belt and it's been 3 months, so I think it's time for me to wear it. It's in the rose gold hardware, just the classic mini Constance kind of buckle, and as you can see it has the plastic covering on it. So let's take it off, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Did you see the difference between how shiny that is between plastic and no plastic? And voila. Oh god, it's like ripping off a band-aid, and it is incredibly shiny. I am scared of scratching it, but that's the whole point of purchasing an item, is to wear it and love it. And even though it shows wear and tear, that's just because you love it and you wear it a lot. And that is done. That is done. Woof. I can wear it today. Now the next item is this Birkin that I have. It's in the color Eton or Gris Eton, which is like gray. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I've taken French lesson for like a few months now and I'm still horrible at pronouncing things, but it is also in the rose gold hardware. Guys, I have taken off the protective plastic on this section, of course, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to, you know, twist it around and it just looks too obvious. But as you can see, here, here, and here, it's still on. So, and then on the bottom too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off today because it's been 3 months and they said that if you leave it on too long, they said that it would stick to the hardware and actually ruin your hardware. So it is really recommended to take it off because of the glue and everything. You don't want it to stick with the humidity and everything, and then when you take it off, you take off a layer of the metal. So that's something that you don't want. That is why I decided to take it off today, and why not do it in front of you guys. All right, I don't know how to do this so that you can see it clear. Let's see. Oh my god. Once I take it off, it's official, guys. Okay. Okay, see that? Wow. Wow. Super shiny. All right, so let's check out this other side here. Let me see. Wow. Oh my god, can you see that shine? That's just crazy. Let's take off the middle part. Oh no, actually there's also here and here, which I'll take off as well. It's a bit more tricky, I have to see it. And now we're going to the middle one. Ready, guys? Oh my god. It's official. This bag is mine forever because I've taken out the plastic and oh god, it is so shiny. I've never seen it without the protective plastic off, of course, and so yeah, it is just so shiny. It is so shiny. Definitely it's gonna get scratches in the future, but it's my one and only Birkin, and it's the one that I will keep forever because of the memory, and it's just so special, such a special bag, and in this beautiful color. So yeah, it's something that I will keep forever, and I'm so happy that I got it. So there you go, guys. That is my video for today. It's a little bit just silly, and I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other videos about my Birkin and how I purchased my Birkin. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next one.